This video to be introduced MOK management color palettes. Now I want to show them for 4 colors: green, yellow, red, blue. Firstly, I open the green color. You can see the self-locking cylinder. Very easy to lock up without key. Different color palettes independent into different groups, and each color palette has their own color keys. Okay, I open them with their own color key by the same way, one by one. All the key colors different from the master key's color, and the palette's body is aluminum and colored with the eye-catching plastic, and so easy to identify for management. Okay, now I use the master key. You can see master key can open all groups of the color palettes. I just use the master key open all the group of the palettes. MOK master key padlock up to level 5 management to make the user clearly higher as efficient management. Okay, now finish all. Thank you.